To take this out, I've scratched this a bit here, so bear with me as I have scratched it. So in the top corner here, you can see that there is a bit here of a lip. So what I'm going to do with this is stick my flathead right here and kind of just flip it up so you can get the edge of it and just pry it. And then you can get access to the battery here. Right there. So, as I mentioned, there is a bit of a lip right on the corner here. You can see where all my scratches are, but be careful. You want to kind of just put your flathead and then pry it like this. And once you do that, then you can get access to the battery. So these are the batteries. They are SR625SWs. These are Maxwell's. They do have mercury in them, or no, these are 0% mercury. That's why I bought them in the first place. That kind of sticks in there. It is still moving, so we're good. And then, yeah, then we smush it down. Give it a little smush mush. There is a bit of a gap right here, and you need to line this up with the watch movement portion where you can adjust the timing and date and what have you right here. So we're gonna do that and then use this press that we got from Amazon and fit this right on there and press it down. I need to work on my grip strength here. Check this out. All right, ready? There we go. Nice click. There we go. That is nice and in there now. And just to double check, we are running. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. But that's how you change the battery of a movement watch.